Halyna thinks she's Dr. Dolittle. Look at her. Look at her. She thinks she can talk to the animals. Off her head. Dr. Dolittle. Look at her feeding the animals like she can talk to the birds. Look at her. Look, over here we have... And over here we have Dr. Dolittle talking to and feeding the birds. Oh, she's going to do a trick. She's going to do a trick. Halyna thinks she's Dr. Dolittle. Talking to the animals, feeding the birds. Now she's doing a magic trick. Mamma mia. Oh. As they say in Italian, uccelli. Tanti uccelli. Loads of birds. There she is. You can do a trick. Magic trick. Oh, it's flown away. Hey! Halyna's still feeding the birds.
No video,
Photo?
Please,
No video?
no video, photo.
Mamma mia.